2014 F150 5-liter Coyote. We have done relative compression. These should be even all the way. Like if it looked like those 5 right there, I'd be pretty happy with the mechanical integrity of this engine. We were able to capture it with a high current clamp, Vantage Ultra Lab Scope. We have done a leak down, cylinder leak down in that. We also noticed in the testing that we had no antifreeze in this overflow tank, and it had a significant amount of stop leak down in there. There's a long form video, you can see where I reference that. We are concerned about cylinder number 8, but I'm also concerned about cylinder number 7. So I have a couple of cylinders that are not looking real great there. We did do in-cylinder pressure on 2 of the cylinders. I am just merely hooked up here for power from the truck. We have about 50 psi running compression. We have our compression stroke or power stroke. We have bottom dead center there before the exhaust valve opens. When the intake or the exhaust valve closes, intake valves open. We have a similar vacuum pocket right there. That's important, along with the amplitude of our running compression there. So we're going to pop out of that one, and these are saved waveforms off of this truck. You can see we only got about 30 psi running compression. We have our vacuum pocket here before we get the exhaust valve to open. We have a much less drastic pocket right there. So this is showing me right in here that we definitely have an issue. Now, we've done kind of our investigation, and I know there's better ways to do this, but this is the way we're going to do it. This is our NVIDIA borescope, and we're in number 8 cylinder right here. As we kind of scroll through here, I'm checking the valves. We're kind of looking to make sure they're all closed. They are. As we keep rolling on, you see moisture wicking down the cylinder wall there. And it's actually running, and I got a better shot here of the head gasket right there. So at this point, with the mileage that's on it, the stop leak that's in the system, I can definitively say that our misfire on cylinder number 8 and arguably possibly cylinder number 7 is blown head gasket related. The leak down tells me that we have damaged the sealing surface on the cylinder bore and the piston ring area because I had significant leakage out of the crankcase through the dipstick tube. So our 2014 F150 5.0 is going to need an engine.